Karina, welcome back to my channel. So here I am with my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work. So this week I'm going to be using my winter leaf circles for my December release, and then probably putting in a couple of these lined leaves. And then for washi, I haven't decided whether I'm going to use these ones from Simply Gilded Grid or these ones from Simply Gilded. And don't ask me to name what these samples are because I have no idea. All right, let's get started. So I have been off of work basically all of last week, so having to come back, I'm kind of like, ugh. And I mean, for WW, for Weight Watchers, this is like it is the busiest week that we normally have. So everybody's coming back to WW to join. Oops. So I'm just using my mild liner here to just put some color in on the dates. And I chose these ahead of time, and these are the two Tombow dual brush pens that I have, 772 and 620. And my friend Adrian told me the other day that they are selling, they're having a sale on Tombow dual brush pens at Michael's, buy two get the third pack free. And I'm like, oh, I don't need to buy that many Tombows. So I just avoided going altogether. Very pastel this is looking, but I wanted to find colors that would match these. So I'm going to be placing this basically directly over Saturday and Sunday. And the reason that I'm doing that is because I know that I don't really use my planner on my work planner anyway, on Saturdays and Sundays. So I'm going to take one of these, this one, these lined leaves, which I remember when I was creating the cup file in Silhouette for these, I'm like, this is going to be hard to take out, but I actually didn't do too badly. Then I'm going to use this Simply Gilded washi here. I forget the name of this one, and I sampled or did swatches of these like when I first got them. But when it comes to this type of washi, I'm just kind of like, meh. Do I really need to keep track of all of them? Some people do. I'm not that type of person who needs the swatches of all of that. What I do need swatches of all of is my fountain pen inks. That I definitely need swatches of. So I've decided that because my Sailor Pro Gear Slim currently has Diatramentus document blacken, and there's a lot of it in there, and I don't want to waste it because it was a sample, I'm going to be using this for work until there is no more ink. So I'm going to draw the line down, and it is about like 2/3 of the way through the row that I do this, because on this side I have meetings, this side is my to-do list, and then I don't do anything for here because I don't work Saturday or Sunday. So then the next thing I'm going to do is probably put something up here, or yeah, you know what, I'm going to put something up there, this one. Ooh. And I'm debating whether to place this up here or in this corner, because like for notes, I want to make sure I have enough room for notes, but I don't want to double down on the amount of decoration that's down there. Or do I go with a smaller one? Maybe go with a smaller one, like in the pink, because I don't have a lot of pink. Ooh, the pink I think will look really good. Actually, you know what, let's use both. Why not? Use both. And then I can add, which one will look good? So it's like I want it to be angled a certain way. Or do I do a mini one? Okay, let's put washi down first. And for this one, I think this washi will look good. There's something weird about that. I'm not gonna use, oh, It's washi ripped. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna take that off. Place that to the side. Is that almost too? No, it'll be okay. Oh, I like that. And then I'm gonna put actually a smaller leaf. No, I don't necessarily want the same one, do I? These are teeny tiny. Oh, there we go. Yeah, the tiny ones are hard to get out, but I can do it. There we go. This is what I get for small, tiny stickers. Oh, I ripped it. Okay, so maybe let's do a different one. This one. There we go. Which is the same one as the one down at the bottom, but I really like that. I don't mind not covering this down at the bottom. So then what I'm gonna do, I think that's all the stickers that I'm gonna put down here. What I'm gonna do now is take, I'm gonna do the purple, move this over to this side here, and then with my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, just write in notes. And then that's where all of my notes will go for the week. And then I'm gonna zoom in here so that you guys can see how I'm going to basically write in my meetings. Then with my Tombow dual brush pen, I'm just gonna highlight up at the top here. We may end up canceling a whole bunch of coachings because of how busy we're gonna be, but that is what my schedule will look like if all goes to plan. And then I fill in my to-do list basically as the day goes, so I don't fill it in just yet because things do change on a day-to-day basis. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've really liked using my winter leaves circles here. So this is still available on my shop along with the lined leaves. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.